Welcome to the Diesel Emissions and Aftertreatment Workshop. In these activities, we'll be learning about a diesel engine's emissions and exploring the systems that regulate them. These slides will help you navigate the lessons in this app. Once you exit this tutorial, you'll be taken to the main menu. Use your trigger to point and click on one of the 5 lessons to begin. You can also close the app from this menu by clicking the Exit App button. You can return to the main menu at any time using your tablet. Touch your finger to the main menu button, then tap the Yes button to confirm. Most lessons will start with a multi-part presentation. You can point and click on the play and pause buttons at any point during these presentations, or skip forwards and backwards to other sections. On the floor below the engine model are some basic controls. Click and hold these buttons to raise, lower, or rotate the engine model. Some models will have a cutaway option. Point and click on this toggle to view the inside of the model. You can also turn on some special effects. At the end of the presentation, you'll see a panel that you can use to revisit the parts from that presentation. Click on a play button to replay the audio clip about that component. You can grab this panel with your grip button to move it to another spot. Click on the highlight buttons to highlight those components in the assembly. The top-level highlight button will highlight all components in that system. Click on the isolate buttons to focus on one component and fade the others away. The top-level isolate button will isolate that entire system. Use your grip buttons to grab components off of the assembly. You can click the Return All Parts button to put all of the components back in their starting spots. Click the Restart button to reset the lesson and return to its starting point. Your left joystick can move you around in a smooth motion, but this may not be comfortable for all users. To enable this option, touch your virtual finger to the Smooth Movement button at the top of your tablet. Touch it again to disable it at any time. Ready to enter the experience? Point and click on the Close Tutorial button below. Remember, you can always access these instruction slides again by touching the Tutorials button on your tablet.